Let's try this one more time. So 1, 2, 3. What's up, guys? It's your girl MJ, and I'm back with another bomb video. So today's video is going to be a video of me and my special guest who you guys have seen once before, my sister, and we're going to be making the infamous gingerbread houses. So I think that we need to make them with a little twist. So add a time limit. What do you guys think? You think we should add a time limit?
Yeah.
Let's hear from them first. What do y'all think? Time limit? Okay. So I'm gonna actually add another twist to it. I'm gonna put a box in between us so we can't see each other's gingerbread houses. I saw some other YouTubers do that, so I think that would be pretty dope. And yeah, so we're gonna get started. We got these gingerbread kits from Sam's. Was it Sam's?
I think so.
Yeah, it was definitely Sam's. So this is what they look like, and yeah, it has everything in it to make the gingerbread houses. So if you guys want to do this at home with your families, with your kids, whoever, these are great to have. But as for us, we're gonna let you guys be the judge on who makes the best gingerbread house, and stay tuned to the end because I have a giveaway coming for this video as well. Get ready.
Should we get the supplies out before you start the time?
On your mark. I feel like that should count, don't you think?
No, getting the supplies out. I mean, it's already half made. Anyway.
Have you ever made a gingerbread house before? Because I haven't. I've never made one before. So the first thing that comes with it in the show is the house. This is like the actual house, and it's already built. So this is already built, so that's a good thing. The only thing we have to do is decorate it. So I'm thinking we do need 10 minutes. Since it's already built, we can get away with 10 minutes. So we have the house. Then it comes with these little gingerbread men right here. I don't know if you can see that. You know how YouTubers do it, like. Can you guys see it? What is this?
I don't know. I've never done this one before. We had to make it like we had to make the whole house and everything.
I'm a little confused. I think this is for
it's 3 decorating bags, 5 colorful decorating candies, vibrant green.
You read the directions.
Colorful presentation board.
Oh yeah, this is the icing.
Did you open it?
Not yet. It's the icing. So go ahead and open up your house and stuff.
Can you see my work?
No, I'm not paying attention to it.
I think you are.
Girl,
you backed all the way
nobody's. Oh my gosh, nobody's.
See the scissors again, please.
Nobody's looking at your little gingerbread house. That
little,
you haven't even
sweetie,
started on. Yeah, I feel like as a kid I would have been the clumsy one, and I would have dropped my gingerbread house on the ground.
Girl, I can't even get this open.
Do you remember that when you had your birthday party and I dropped your cake? You remember that?
And I always had the best cakes.
I dropped her birthday cake. She was so hurt. She was a little girl, y'all. I was little too. But yeah, I dropped her cake. So don't bring me cakes around me, cause.
Wait, hold on. Why is this leaning? Maybe I'm tripping.
Ooh, it comes with all this stuff. So it comes with like peppermint. You guys can see that, and a whole bunch of stuff. I think these are like for the icing. So y'all, we're about to get prepped for this because I didn't realize it was gonna take this much prep work, and then we'll be right back. So I have 10 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm putting 10 minutes on the clock, and whoever has the best
like the more classy style, but
even though my gingerbread house says the opposite.
mine do too. This is real tacky. The
Chelsea.
garland.
Try talking a British accent.
I can't.
Charlie.
Can't.
Oh, Laura.
Let me not say nothing.
Really just wanna.
Laura, I'm paying.
Laura.
No,
Laura.
no, I'm paying.
Charlie.
Me when I got $2 left and you paid for my McDonald's.
Oh, your house look nice.
Girl, bye.
It does.
This house needs to be burnt down.
Okay. Turn your. What?
I told you I did not do the sides.
You did.
What sides were you thinking I was talking about? I said I don't want to judge the front. I said I want to judge the sides.
You did the front door?
Girl, I couldn't. This the front door that I tried to do. The back door didn't make it, but the side view was all right.
So you guys, these are our homes. Mine can't really be lifted.
Mine can't.
So I'm just gonna
wait. Yeah, you. Oh no, you gotta
have a little.
Yeah, you definitely won because I didn't do it.
Oh no, my little guards fell. These are my army men. They protect the house. You know.
Oh my gosh, not security.
My security.
Security. Don't lift it up.
So this is my house. This is Kai's house. Turn it around to the front so they can see the front door. So guys, who do you think has the best gingerbread house? Comment down below in the comments. We're gonna get a second opinion. You guys' opinion matters the most, of course. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. But let's get a second opinion and see who has the best gingerbread house in this house. Because right now, both of our houses are not at home. So
nowhere to be found.
A couple times.
What happened to the door on this one?
I wish y'all could see his face right now.
Who's that one?
It's Caleb.
Oh shoot.
Cut the camera. Cut it.
You don't even need a judge for that. You don't. You really don't.
Oh my gosh.
On that one. What y'all tried to tint the windows or something? On the other side. The other side. Turn it all the way around.
So which house do you
Are
think?
those windows tinted?
They must be.
I didn't.
The cookie looks good. Decoration on the roof looks great. You got to the windows and the doors, you're gonna need some help. You're gonna need a lot of help. So I'm gonna give it at least a 7 out of 10.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
4.
Okay, what do you rate this one?
That's an 8.
Okay, we're gonna tell you the truth. This is Kaya's house. This is my house.
Oh my goodness. That's horrible. House anyway.
Let me give y'all a little tour of my in bread. G-I-N bread.
Bread.
And then this is their little walkway up to the house. This is the curb appeal, you guys. You see the curb
It's a little bumpy.
It's a little bumpy, you know. It's not the smoothest curb appeal. But we got some little poles right here. The back of the house, we have this cooling system. This keeps the house cool. So the peppermint patties. Okay, you guys, so we are done making our gingerbread houses. We're gonna let you guys be the judge of who had the best house. Did you have fun? You did have fun. It was fun for me too. This is my first time ever making a gingerbread house, so this was pretty fun. But as far as the giveaway, so I have some stuff that I was gonna give away in a previous video, but the winner never.
Don't say that. Girl, don't say that.
I never got in contact with the winner. Okay?
Don't say that
so I'm just keeping it real. So guys, to win this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, tell a friend that knows a friend, tell everybody you can think of, because we're on the road to 1K. And make sure that you comment a Christmas tree emoji in the comments and follow me on Instagram. That's all you have to do to try to win this giveaway. It's not hard. What you'll win is a God is Dope hat. This is what the hat looks like. And then you'll also win a God is Dope tee. I have 2 different sizes. So you'll win a God is Dope tee. This is what it looks like. Let me pull it all the way out. This is what the t-shirt looks like here. And then you will also win a palette from Juvia's Place. So these are what the palettes look like.
One is called the Amazons and the other one is called the Tribe eyeshadow palette.
So these 2 palettes you'll win. And like I said, guys, super easy. All you have to do is comment a Christmas tree emoji after you have subscribed to my channel and followed me on Instagram at onlymj2_. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video with me and my favorite person. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a Merry Christmas, guys. Bye. Remember, you only get 1 life, so you should always spread
love.
Bye, guys.
Hi.